Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I am here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 6. Today we will start the new chapter and the chapter name is The Climate of India. So in this chapter we will see the factors that affects the climates, the different types of seasons are there that we will see, and then we will cover the chapter. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework, project work, as well as online class homework what you received on website of Hartford International School. And I hope that till chapter 5 you have completed your all question answer and I think the objective types, new words in your fair copy. If you don't, then please complete it because you have a lots of time, so use the time and please be safe at home. And it's a very serious disease, COVID-19, we all know that, so it's better because of this virus we can die also, so it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the time with our family members. Now if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible because I am reading, you also read with me. And then again the finishing the chapter, I will give you the new words and the objective types on the website of Hartford International School. You can go there and you can check your homework. If you don't complete, because complete it whenever the school will open, because I have all the data with me that whenever I have given which chapter and these all things, and I want all the homeworks in your fair copy and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting, and please use the dark pencil. So let's start the chapter and I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. So let's start the chapter. I am reading, so please read with me. Now, the word climate. So first of all, what is the meaning of climate? So the climate, it refers to the weather. You can underline. So you can underline from the first line the climate. So climate means, the climate word, it means, it refers to the weather. Climate means it refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Over a long period of time. So climate is what? If it refers to the weather conditions, means over a long period of time. So if a place is there and if the climate is it's a long period of time, that's we can call the climate. So it describes the weather a place generally has throughout the year. So the climate is what? It describes the weather of a place. Means of a place, what the weather are there, it's cool, warm, windy, and it's generally which it has throughout the year. So we have the climates changing, it's just remaining and it's just going throughout the year. Now weather. So what is the meaning of weather? So you can underline from the weather. Weather is the condition, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place and time. So weather is what? It is the condition of the atmosphere where we have something at a certain place and the same time. So that we can call the weather. For example is also given in your book. For example, when we say that it is hot or coldy today, we are referring to the weather of a particular place at a particular moment. So for example, just like suppose we are saying that it's too hot or cloudy today, it means what? We referring the weathers of a particular place at a particular time, at a particular moment. Suppose when you will look outside right now, outside of your house, then you see that you can feel that it's the hotty days, it's the coldy days, or it's the winter days. So it refers the weather of a particular place at a particular moment. So that is called what? Weather. That is called weather. Next is, but we say that it is cold in the Himalayas and hot in the deserts. Exactly. but in the last all the chapters we know that the mountains is the what, hills is what, it is the top. So that's why it's always the cold, and we can say that cold is in the Himalayas and hot in the deserts. We referring to the climate of these places. So we refers that yes, we can say that yes, these climates are from these areas. So hill station have a cool climate and desert areas have a hot climate. So hill station is what, like Darjeelings, then many states are there which I have taught you in that classes in the previous chapters. So these all is what, it's have a cool climate because it is on the Himalayas there, that's why. And the desert areas, it's what, it's always a hot climate, it refers like a hot climate. So we have studies about the different regions of India. In fact, we have all learned about the different types of regions of India in different countries. So we have also seen that the climate of one region is different than the others. In fact, in that all chapters we have learned that in every places the climate is what, the climate is very different from the other places. So let us find that why this is so. So we can see in this chapter that why is this happened, that some places are cold and the other places are hot, that we will see in this video, in this chapter. Now our first topic is the factors affecting climate. Factors affecting climates. Now the location of a place determines its climate. Exactly, the location where we have, it determines what, it determines its climate. Places located near the sea have a cooler climate compared to places where are away from the sea. So when you will see the areas which is near the sea, that places are very cooler than when you will see that some areas is very far away from the seas. So because the water is there, seas is there, that's why the all areas near that seas, it's cold, it's cool areas, it's blooming. But when some places, compare these all things, that some places are what, that some places which are very far away from the seas, it's some hotter, because again places located in the hills or mountains are cold than places in the plains. So like the same also, where the places which is located in the hilly areas or mountains, that the area is what, it's cooler than the areas, that the places in plains, because there is sands and no water is there, so that's why they can't receive the water, and that's why it's too hot their plains. But on hills and mountains are very cold areas. Next, the climate of a place also depends on its temperature, rainfall and the direction of the wind blowing in the region. Exactly, the climate which we have, the climate, it always depends, the climate of a place, it always depends its temperature, its rainfall and the direction of the wind, and from which direction the wind is blowing. So it is that all reasons. Distance from the equator is an important factor because overall climate of a place depends on how far it is from the equator. So distance from the equator, it is the most important factor. It is the most important factor of weather, because the overall climate, the all climates of a place, it depends on how far the areas is from the equator. How far areas is from the equator. So that's why the distance from the equator is the very important factors, because it decides that how's the climate of a place through that far or near from the equator. The climate of a place has an effect on the life of the people, the type of clothes they wear and the kind of foods they eat. Exactly. Suppose the climate is what, if the climate is changing, it can change the effects of the life also, it can change the types of clothes also they wear. In fact, we can eat the different types of food also, that depending to the weather, depending to the climate. So exactly like like if winter is there, then we just used to wear the woolen cloths, to eat the hot foods, in fact to go and like sit in front of the heaters so that we can feel warm. But in that if summer is there, then we are just wearing the cotton cloths, and we just sit in front of the ACs and coolers so that we can feel cool. So what the climate is, what climate of a place, it depends our the behavior, our the life of the people, how they live, the clothes they wear, and the food what they eat. So it depends all the climate of a place, that what the climate where we lived. So it depends to the climate. The next page number 49, that we will see in the next videos. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.